Hello everyone! Today I'll be sharing a simple activity that you can do in your daily life that will make your brain stronger. So we already know that it is important to keep our brain active because our brain and memory is like a muscle. Hence, if we don't regularly exercise our brain and memory, our mental fitness declines. And so to keep the neurons and connections of our brain up and running, we need to consciously implement activities in our lives that stimulate the brain on a regular basis. Because not only can children grow and make their brains stronger, but a recent study found out that we, even as adults, can build new connections in our brain and make our brains stronger at any point in our lives. So it is never too late to decide to have a healthier brain. The activity that you can do to immediately make your brain stronger and forge new connections is doing something new. Nowadays, so much of our life has become a routine, which means that we are continuing to do the same activities, the same things every day over and over again. And this causes us to go into autopilot mode, which prevents us from actually using our brain for the activities that we do on a daily basis. Doing something new builds new connections inside your brain. It enhances your mental agility and it increases your brain's plasticity, which is the ability to adapt, change, and recover. And by having new experiences, you are stepping out of autopilot mode and you cause the connections inside your brain to communicate and hence get stronger. This new activity can be anything simple, such as learning to play a new instrument or learning a new language. But a very useful exercise that you can do conveniently is taking a new route to get to work or school. Because when you repeatedly take the same route to get to your school, your work, or anywhere you need to go, your brain builds a habit and switches to autopilot mode. And after a while, you no longer even have to think about where you're heading. You get into the car and your brain automatically takes you where you need to go. So when you force your brain into finding a new way to your destination, you are stimulating different parts of your brain, such as the hippocampus. And because your brain is so involved into figuring out this new route, you explore new possibilities and you have new experiences, which cause the growth of new neurons in your brain, making your brain stronger. This was just an example of the many things that you can do to stimulate your brain. And by implementing small things like this in your daily life, you are ensuring that you keep your brain and memory active and healthy. In my upcoming videos, I'll be sharing more tips and exercises on how you can sharpen your mental abilities, which will make you more efficient, productive, and capable of performing at your best. That was all for today. I will see you all in my next video, and until then, be happy and be joyful.